What's happening, guys? Jay with Riggs Fabrication, Fort Worth, Texas. Today we're talking about the 52 Chevy pickup in the shop. This truck was started out in the 80s as a father-son build, and they drove the truck a whole bunch of miles, drove it until he went off to college, sat for a while, and it got time to redo it. And so we painted it Lexus Inferno red. So the concept was it was Porsche red originally, and he wanted just kind of more modern version of red. So we picked this color. It pops in the sun. It looks amazing. We're sitting on a No Limit Engineering chassis. We've done vintage air. We've got an LT1 motor with a 10-speed transmission. We've got some really nice bedwood from Bedwood Products. And tomorrow we're taking this thing to upholstery. So once it gets out of upholstery, it's ready for springtime show season. So you guys keep an eye on this thing. It's going to be out in the wild, seeing some sun and getting some miles and hopefully some smiles. Have a good one.